Hello, I'm Natasha, that's Chris. This is our new Endy Mattress. I've seen a lot about it on the internet and I was curious and we needed a new mattress anyway. So they said that we can put it on our existing box springs or on slatted bed frame. So we're just going to leave our box spring. We already pitched the mattress. 100-night guarantee, but I guarantee we're not bringing back that other mattress. So what I've seen is we have to open it up, cut it out of a bag, and then it's going to split out to become our new mattress. I'm already ready for bed. And let's try. Okay, it says open here. Okay, hold on. Start here. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna, I guess, cut it with this thing. Everybody loves a good unboxing post. Don't forget to share your Endy unboxing experience. Cool. Okay, so it says open the box, unroll, unwrap, watch it expand, love sleep. Certainly hope so. Do you want to do this part?
No, we gotta take the box out.
Okay. King size, so you don't have to touch in bed. Wow. Is it just... Oh, can you hear that? I think it goes the other way. Wow.
Here's your cutter.
Thank you. Just cut it off this way, don't cut more.
Nice.
See if we can cover the other back with this. Ooh, perfect fit. As you can see, we have a very small room, so Chris built this bed, but he built it perfectly because both mattresses are perfect. Oh my God. Why do I have to work today? So far so good. We're going to report in 30 days, see how it goes.